Silicon plays a structural role in advanced crop production systems. It reinforces plant tissue, improves mechanical resistance, and enhances performance under abiotic stress conditions. Cropenta offers two stabilized liquid silicon solutions, LA15 and LA45, developed for formulation, integration, and industrial scale applications. Although not universally classified as an essential nutrient, silicon significantly enhances structural integrity in many crops. Once absorbed, it is deposited within cell walls and beneath the cuticle, forming a reinforced silica layer that increases mechanical stability and stress tolerance. In high-output agricultural systems, silicon contributes to increased stem strength and reduced lodging, improved tolerance to drought and heat stress, enhanced structural stability under salinity pressure, greater consistency across production cycles. Structural reinforcement translates into operational reliability and yield protection. Silicon liquid LA15 contains 15% stabilized silicon in a transparent liquid formulation. It is optimized for precision dosing, fertigation systems, and integration into advanced liquid fertilizer formulations. Silicon liquid LA45 delivers 45% high-concentration silicon in a white liquid formulation. It is developed for industrial blending, bulk logistics efficiency, and high-load fertilizer manufacturing. Silicon liquid LA15 and LA45 integrate seamlessly into modern agricultural application systems. They are compatible with large-scale spray equipment, drone platforms, aerial application, and precision fertigation systems. Engineered for operational flexibility across industrial crop production environments. Following uptake, silicon polymerizes within plant tissue and forms a structural silica matrix. This reinforces epidermal layers and enhances resistance against mechanical and environmental stress factors. The result is improved structural durability without altering core nutrient balance. Silicon liquid LA15 and LA45, two stabilized silicon solutions engineered for formulation flexibility and industrial crop systems. Precision concentration, structural reinforcement, performance at scale. Cropenta, driving performance in feed and fertilizers.